Today we'll solve problems on Cauchy's linear equation. Okay. Standard form of the Cauchy's linear equation of second order will be a naught x square y double dash plus a1 into xy dash plus a2y is equal to phi of x, where a naught, a1, a2 are the constants. Okay, and we need to solve this equation by taking one substitution. So that substitution is t is equal to log x to the base e, or x is equal to e to the power t. So by taking this substitution, we will get x into y dash as dy, x square y double dash as d into d minus 1 into y, and if third order equation is given, then x cube into y triple dash to be written as d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y. Okay, and here d will be d by dt. Capital D will be d by dt, meaning answer you will write in terms of t. Okay, and final answer to be written in terms of x only. And now we'll solve one problem on that. X square y double dash minus 3 into y dash plus 4y is equal to 1 plus x whole square. Okay, so in the RHS you apply a plus b whole square and write it as 1 plus x square plus 2x. And now this is a Cauchy's linear equation, and for that you will use the substitution t is equal to log x to the base e, or x is equal to e to the power t, and in the equation, in the given differential equation, x into y dash is there. So in the substitution you will write x y dash is equal to dy, x square y double dash is there, so x square y double dash to be written as d into d minus 1 into y. Okay, and now substitute these two in the equation 1. So x square y double dash is d into d minus 1 minus 3 as it is, x into y dash is dy plus 4y as it is. Taking y common and simplifying the terms inside the bracket, you will get d square minus 4d plus 4. Okay, and if you come to RHS, 1 plus x square plus 2x to be written as, by using this substitution, to be written as 1 as it is, in the place of x, e to the power t whole square plus 2x, nothing but plus 2 into e to the power t, and e to the power t whole square to be written as e to the power 2t. And now this will be the differential equation with the constant coefficient, which you already solved. Okay, so this will be type 1 problem. And now writing the auxiliary equation and finding out the roots and writing yc. So as these two are repeated roots, c1 plus c2t of e to the power 2t. So answer to be written in terms of t first, then final answer to be written in terms of x. Okay, now yp is equal to 1 plus e to the power 2t plus 2 into e to the power t whole divided by d square minus 4d plus 4, and rewriting yp as 1 divided by denominator plus second term e to the power 2t divided by denominator plus 2 into e to the power t divided by denominator. So calling the first term as p1, second as p2, third as p3. Okay, and to write the answer for yp, you need to find out p1, p2, p3, and to find out p1, write first term. P1 is equal to 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4, and you already know in type 1, if you have any constant, you are writing it as constant into e to the power 0x there. Okay, and here you need to take it as e to the power 0t. So comparing this with the standard form, the value of a is equal to 0 here, so put d is equal to a is equal to 0 in the denominator, so you will get 1 divided by 4. So answer for p1 is 1 by 4. Come to p2. To find out p2, write p2 is equal to e to the power 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4, and again identifying the value of a, and by type 1 putting d is equal to a in the denominator. So you will get 4 minus 8, plus 8 minus 8, meaning denominator equal to 0. If denominator equal to 0, taking t as a pre-multiplier and taking the differentiation of f of d in the denominator. So d square differentiation is 2d minus 4d differentiation minus 4 differentiation of 4 is 0. Again identifying the value of a and substitution of d is equal to a in the denominator. So e to the power t as it is, e to the power 2t as it is, denominator you will put d is equal to 2. So again you will get 4 minus 4 0, meaning denominator 0. So taking one more pre-multiplier, so t to be written as t square, e to the power 2t as it is, and differentiation of 2d to be written here. So differentiation of 2d will be 2. So you will get P2 is equal to t square into e to the power 2t divided by 2. And now coming to P3, write P3 2 into e to the power t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4, again type 1. So identifying the value of a as 1, substitution of the same in the denominator will give you P3 is equal to 2 into e to the power t. Okay, and now write the complete solution. Y is equal to yc plus yp. So in the first line you will write the answer in terms of t for yc and yp. Yp nothing but p1 plus p2 plus p3. Okay, p1, p2, p3. And then in the second line you are writing the solution, complete solution in terms of x, meaning in the beginning what substitution you have taken, t is equal to log x and x is equal to e to the power t. So in the place of t you will write log x, in the place of e to the power t you will take x. Okay, write the complete solution.